Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to graph in Microsoft Word if this is what you're choosing to do for your constructed response. Please note that you can print your document and then graph by hand, take a picture or scan it back in, and then upload it as well. But if you want to try to do it in Word, I'm going to quick show you how to do that. So to start, you're going to have a question where you have to figure out the slope and the y-intercept of your problem. So I just made up a slope and a y-intercept for this graph just to show you how I'd graph. Remember when we are graphing y equals mx plus b, that's our slope-intercept form, we always start with the b first. This is our y-intercept. Okay, that's what we want to do first. So since my y-intercept is 3, there's a couple ways. If you have the Draw tab in Microsoft, you can physically go to like Draw with Touch and then draw in your point. Okay, that's one way to do this. Okay, so I can do that by hand since I have the Draw function, but I know not everybody does. So you can also go to Insert, and then where you see shapes, I like to use this oval shape. And if you come over here to 3, because we're at y equals 3 on the y-axis, I'm just going to draw in a little circle at that point. And I can use my arrows just to kind of make it a little bit more perfect in terms of being centered on y equals 3. Now, from here, I want to use my slope. So my slope is negative 2 over 3. Okay, remember that slope, your slope is rise over run. So if my slope is negative 2 over 3, this means since it's negative, I'm going to go down 3, and I'm going to go to the right or over. I think I said down 3. You're going to go down 2, and then to the right 3. So from this point, I'd count down 1, 2, and then over 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's going to be my point. Now, if you need to, you'd go back to Insert, Shapes, grab that oval, and then use your cursor down 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3, and then you can go ahead and draw in that tiny little dot. And I'm going to move mine over just a smidge so that it fits on that line. So now I have 2 lines drawn, or 2 circles drawn, 2 points. I can go back to Insert. I'm going to go grab an arrow I'm going to grab a line that is double arrowed, and I'm going to go ahead and just make that go through both of those points. And there's my line. I'm done. It's graphed. If you have an inequality that you're trying to shade, you can you can just like write over to the side. If you want to write that it's dashed or solid, you can. If you want to try to change it, if you go over to your drawing tools under Format, Shape Outline, and then to dashes, you can change it to a dashed line if you need to for the inequality question. All right, so I hope that helps you in terms of graphing in Word. If you have any other specific questions about that, feel free to shoot me an email and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks.